Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best portable table saw you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best portable table saw in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DeWalt 10-inch table saw. The DeWalt 10-inch table saw offers a combination of job site toughness, good capacity, and the potential for precise accuracy, all of which make it a popular choice with trade professionals. Like most table saws, it's fitted with a general-purpose 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade. The maximum depth of cut at 90 degrees is 3 1/8 inches, at 45 degrees, it's 2 1/4 inches. Its ripping capability is 22 inches to the left of the blade and a class-leading 32.5 inches to the right. The sturdy extending fence works on a precise rack and pinion track. The most stable saw in the bunch, with an aggressive leg flare that would make tipping this thing over while cutting long, heavy stock nearly impossible. The included construction-grade blade was terrific. The rack and pinion fence worked smoothly and it locked securely. The push-stick storage on the fence is a nice feature. Unlike some saws that sound like they are working hard, this saw displayed excellent power and smooth performance throughout testing on Eastern white fir 2x2x hem fir framing, 5x4 pressure-treated southern pine decking, and typical 1x. For details, let's watch more. Our second best portable table saw is DeWalt DWE7485 table saw. The 8 1/4 inch table saw platform might seem counterintuitive to some users. But even though the blade is smaller than the standard 10-inch tools, in testing it cut 99% of what the bigger saws cut that 1x and 2x material, trim, and decking. It's small and light, and the included blade is outstanding. The fence is the DeWalt innovated rack and pinion with onboard push-stick storage and was parallel to the blade out of the box. Because this is a smaller frame and there is no included stand, the saw is light and easy to carry, maneuver, and store. This is ideal for life on a truck or in a crowded shop, garage, or site. There is no included stand, and table saws need stands for safe operation. A stand, whether purchased from DeWalt or custom made in a workshop, would only make this fantastic saw more fantastic. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is SKIL 10-inch table saw. This SKIL saw is the only worm drive unit in the category and is built on the legendary, Never Say Die SKIL 77 motor platform. There are all kinds of Ford Chevy types of debates around worm drive tools compared to direct drive tools. While our observations may not steer those conversations, let's just say that we see no power or durability difference with the worm gear. However, what we do see are nuances and details that make this saw worth considering, especially for frequent users like remodelers, deck builders, and other pros who use a saw for hours on end. It blasted the fur we ran through it. Decking was a walk in the park. It also has a great crank to blade movement ratio. And, the worm gear gave it a built-in soft start that is plush without a lag time. The tool was smooth. Like the SKIL table saw on this list, it also has a 45-degree attachment for the dust chute. Again, this allows the user to direct sawdust easily into a box or bucket. As with the SKIL, we found it to be a simple but very effective feature. Number 4 in our side is Bosch 10-inch table saw. The Bosch 4100XC 10-in. Worksite table saw with gravity rise wheeled stand delivers both professional rip capacity and outstanding portability for a tool that can get the job done, wherever it is. The powerful 15-amp saw delivers 4.0 max HP for outstanding productivity. It also incorporates soft start circuitry for smooth, but quick ramp up to the operating speed. It includes constant response circuitry to help maintain speed under load, restart protection to avoid accidental startup and overload protection. The square lock rip fence is engineered for maximum trueness and great ease of use. It includes an enhanced auxiliary fence for narrow workpieces. The lighter GTA 47W gravity rise wheeled stand has 8-inch treaded rubber composite tires and a single action design for easy setup and transport. It is job site ready with heavy-duty construction. The Smart Guard system features a 3-position adjustable riving knife, anti-kickback pawls and non-obstructed view barrier guard assembly. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best portable table saw list is Delta 10-inch table saw. The Delta portable 10-inch contractor table saw was designed with a professional in mind. Powered by a 15-amp motor, it is maximized for precision, durability, and mobility. The heavy-duty one-piece rail system, along with the newly designed fence system, allows for precision cuts every time. The fence incorporates a special design allowing you to cut narrow pieces of stock. The saw has a large 25-inch rip capacity, 3.5-inch depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2.5-inch at 45 degrees. A 2.5-inch dust collection port easily connects to a vacuum for efficient dust extraction to your work area clean. The Delta features a rack and pinion fence rails make fence adjustments fast, smooth, and accurate. The rails utilize 3 quick adjustment tabs that allow you to quickly relocate the fence while ensuring the blade and fence are always parallel, guaranteeing consistent and true cuts. For details, let's watch more.